Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursday. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is for the rice lovers, tomato pulao, a spicy and a delicious version of tomato pulao. Let us have a look onto the main ingredient. Half cup of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup of any veggies of your choice, 1 by 3 cup of or 6 garlic clove chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of zira, that is cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Here I am using Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 green chilies slit or chopped, and 3 to 4 whole red chilies. This is optional though. 2 tablespoons of salt or as per your taste. Kindly note the core ingredient as follows: 3 medium size of tomatoes finely chopped and 3 medium size of onions sliced. So here I've taken around 3 cup of basmati rice which has been pre-soaked for 20 minutes. Any brand of basmati rice is good enough. Wash, soak and drain the water. And to cook our basmati rice, here I am using warm water and the measurement of my cup is 255 ml. Shall be showing you the process accordingly. Please add 1 by 3 cup of oil in a deep heavy bottom pan. To this I am adding the zira, around 2 tablespoons of zira cumin seed, and then goes the red chilies. Saute this for around 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the green chilies, the slit green chilies. To this I am adding the chopped onion. Please note, we do not want to brown the onions, we just want them to get softened. So you just need to saute them for good 5 to 8 minutes. Onion takes a lot of time to get soft and we need to have a lot of patience. So you just need to keep on mixing them well for good 8 minutes. To this you can add the salt to caramelize it more further and not brown it actually. So you just need to sprinkle some salt or as per your taste. Here I am using around 2 tablespoons of salt. Cover them and let it cook further. So post 8 minutes of cover cooking them, the onions are soft actually, and then you can just add some garlic, around 1 by 3 cup of garlic which has been finely chopped, and mix them well together. To this I am adding the veggies, any of your veggies, your personal preferences, and then goes the ginger paste. And if you do not have ginger, that's okay. You can just use the garlic paste. Just saute them and remove the raw texture of all the veggies and the ginger paste and the garlic. To this I'm adding the chili powder and keep on mixing. Let it incorporate it well. This stage you can now add the tomatoes, around 3 tomatoes which has been roughly chopped. Mix them and cook it well. You can just cover them and cook it for more further. To this I am adding the water, around half cup, and simmer it for 5 minutes. So our tomatoes has been cooked to perfect. You can just see a visible change in the texture and the color as well. Now you can add the pre-soaked basmati rice and mix it well. Give it a quick mix and combine them. Incorporate all the masalas into the rice. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So just make sure you do not break the rice and everything. Just mix them lightly. Here I am cooking as well as mixing the rice together. with a very light hand. So you just need to be very slow and slightly just keep on mixing. See that you do not break the rice because it has been pre-soaked. So you need to be very careful regarding the rice, and then just keep on mixing them so that it incorporate the masala together. So each brand of rice is different. So here I'm adding 4 cups to my 3 cup of basmati rice. So the ratio can differ. So this goes around 4 cups altogether, and half cup have been used previously, so that makes 4.5. Now you can just add some coriander leaves and just keep some for garnishing. Just mix them slightly and cover cook them onto the lowest point of heat for 10 minutes. At first you can just start off with 10 minutes, and if you need further you can just increase it. Suppose 10 minutes just to check on. My rice is still undercooked, so we'll be giving extra 10 minutes to go. So if you could see, my basmati rice is still undercooked a bit, so I'm just giving extra 10 minutes. So all it needs is good 20 minutes. Exact 20 minutes for 4 cup of water and 3 cup of basmati rice. Cover cook them. And to avoid burning the surface, I've just kept the flame onto the lowest point of heat, so don't forget that, and good 20 minutes. And my rice is cooked to perfect. The basmati tomato rice is cooked to perfect. I haven't added any color to make it more vibrant. I'm just cooking it as usual. Switch off the flame and enjoy the best tomato pulao. This quarantine lockdown special with very minimum and basic ingredients. Serve them hot and enjoy. If you love and like my video, please leave a valuable comments under the comment section below. Do share this video with your friends and family, and stay connected to Dimple's and Arabian journey. Thanks for watching.